And when someone try size up with a man like Matterhorn, oh my God, man, there are levels to this shit. Enough man, I got pray me. There are levels. You have enough selector from town. What bad? We go anywhere in Jamaica and fuck up a place. We fly go foreign and fuck up a place too. I have selector we fly go foreign and do fuckery. And them man, they are part of the reason why enough man in Jamaica now get no bookings of foreign. That's why enough of the foreign selector them feel like them are God. That generation here don't know who Sky Juice is. Don't know what Sky Juice contributed. Does that make Shuttlebus a bigger selector? Because them man they bad in every dimension of selecting. You have someone who bad over feeding part of selecting. Like Sound Clash part, you know, say Ricky Trooper govern Sound Clash.
Yo, welcome my people. Welcome forward to the channel. You don't know the thing go. Right now, we have to take the time out to big up all who click the subscribe button, all who leave a like, and definitely leave them thoughts in the comment section. Bad or no bad. Right now, my people, you don't know the thing go. This a channel, we bring you all of the previous live them when you miss throughout the week. So you definitely want to subscribe to keep up to date. And for you, new viewer we are pass through, nothing wrong if you click the like button. Leave a cost you nothing. You don't know the thing go. Right now, my people, we have Triple X back at it again. Right now, I'm talk about the whole Tony Matterhorn and the whole DJ surrounding Jamaica situation. So no one stay tuned and listen to what I have to say. And if you don't agree or disagree, just leave in the thoughts in the comments. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bad.
And when someone try size up with a man like Matterhorn, oh my God, man, there are levels to this shit. There are levels to this shit. You have to understand, there are levels to this shit. You understand me I say? You have to know who you are and know your space. See me like how, let me show you, simple. You have enough people where when them be at them yard, them cook the sweetest curry goat. The best bumbo clad fried chicken you ever eat when you got them yard going to the best oxtail. When them cook rice and peas, them cook them 2 pound and them 3 pound of rice. Shelly and nice. Whole heap of peas. You can taste the cook. Them can use all the packed coconut milk. And the thing nice, butter down. The rice can name by itself. You see? Real man nowhere. Nose ring. That is why I'm not a man. I'm a donkey. Anyway, as me say, you can cook the best rice and peas in your yard. Zin? Best rice and peas in your yard. And when you set so boom, and a man say, alright, yo, me love how you cook. Yo, I have a function down in my yard, when you come cook 20 pound of rice. And when you go down there, the rice turn mud. No matter how you try it, you can't catch a pot of rice. But you can cook, when you cook your 2 pound of rice, perfect. But when you get the big dance salt pot for cook 120 or 140 pound, mud. If I'm a mud, a stone or chim chim. Not because you're good at something at your yard, that does not mean that you can do it abroad. And the problem is, I say, your friend them not for support, you know. Big up the man them will have a support system. Big up the man them have a support system. I'm not telling a lie. You have to support your friend them in what them do. But at some point in time, you need to look at your friend them and say, why? Yeah, I'm not saying no good in a brother, but I don't feel like this is for you, you know. Sometimes you have to be reality. And I will always be that friend if you tell you the truth. You have to tell your friend them the truth sometimes. The problem is, not for the time them when you tell them the truth, them say a bad mind and a bad mind. And I don't have a problem with you saying that I am bad mind. Somebody say, town DJs only for hype cause they play a weekly parties. Book them for a country dance and you will know. Just in it. Let me tell you no one in it for them. You see the problem we don't know? Who not book the wrong selector them from town. Because the truth of the matter. And every selector where they are town, I go can be able to go a country go play. And this is not no shade to no man. Every man now go can go in every space. You understand? And the truth can be said about the countryman them too. Because enough of the man them on the others say them a God, a country. Them come a town, come flap. Them come a town, come flap. Can barely get the forward. And crowd stand up on them stiff. So I don't feel like it is the location. It is just the talent. You have man in their town. We're super talented. I have man in their country. We're super talented. So I don't know where to get this thing from. But say town selector no good and our country selector no good. You understand? DJ Omar, that is the truth. I know every town man can move every crowd. And I know every countryman. Because Omar, I don't know which Omar. Because I know three different Omar. I don't know which one I Omar them this. In your district, it's 100% sure. Say you have selected down there when no good. If you come from Clarendon, selected there Clarendon good. You come from St. Elizabeth, selected there when no good. Manchester, Trelawney, St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, St. Mary, St. Anne, Portland, St. Thomas, St. Catherine, any parish where you come from, there are going to be selectors there that are no good. And enough of the time them that selected the way when you in yourself know it's no good, him still get be a date in book for whole heap of show and him still no good. Same thing in your town. You have selected with don't good at town. And them still get be a date book, them book every week. Or 3 times for 1 week, them book and them still no good. So we can't look upon it and say, okay, just because your name a call, that means you represent the parish. You have so if the man and represent the parish, you have bad selector from town, anyway, then go them bad. I'm not go call no name. I'm not call no name. If I call name, I left out some name stuff, man, I go pray me. I don't need to call no name. You have enough selector from town, we're bad. We go anywhere in Jamaica and fuck up a place. We fly go foreign and fuck up a place too. I have selector we fly go foreign and do fuckery. And them man, they are part of the reason why enough man in Jamaica now get no bookings of foreign. That's why enough of the foreign selector them feel like them are God. Enough of the selector them are foreign feel like them are God. Because when some man in Jamaica where them hear them name a call, come in them town, come in them city, come work, and come do fuckery, and then the man them from in the city take the sound and run around them feel like them are the baddest thing and them better than the man them in Jamaica, which is bullshit. Which is bullshit. Because enough of the man them we have fuck up a place of foreign. Them come to Jamaica come to be a fucker too. Because remember, so we got a dream weekend and we got vacay and we got all of the weekend them and we see say enough of the selector them we come from foreign. Come here come do fuckery. And can't move the crowd. And them man they are the big name man them are foreign. We are chat off them face so them are the wickedest thing. Same way vice versa. Everybody now go bad in every stadium. If people are going to have them half days, but we don't use them things if you judge them. But when a man chat off him face every day, say him are the baddest bumbuckler thing and they are depend life every fucking day do fuckery. And I prove to the people them why you not get no bookings. And then when the people them tell us you not get no bookings now, you start talking about, oh, me rather play for 10 people and fuck up the place because the money we play for 1,000 people now. Go suck your mother. Suck your mother. You too lie. And bad mind. Bad mind, you bad mind. Bad mind. Because if them show the call you right now and tell us if you forward, you run go. Or if them tell us if you come for free, you run go. Enough of them bad mind. You don't need, you don't, I'm telling you straight up. You don't need to tear down a man to make yourself look good. You don't need to bash a man. You don't need to bash a next man to make you look like you do the right thing. You don't need to do that. And this are facts. If your only claim to fame or the only time you are relevant is when you're speaking negatively about somebody else, you need to reevaluate what you do. That means your talent does not speak for itself. That means that the talent or you believe that you have, it is non-existent. Because if you are truly talented, You do not need to disparage somebody else to get attention. You don't need to disparage nobody else to get attention. DJ Kentucky can rock any crowd for him from him young days. DJ Kentucky one of the baddest bumbo thing. Stop call Kentucky in them argument here. Kentucky in one league and own. Alright, you see, there's a there's a levels to this shit. Let me tell you, alright, there's levels to this shit. You have certain man that's Kentucky and a boy selector. Kentucky and a West selector. Kentucky a world selector. So you can't call man like Kentucky name in a them argument and make it look like say you try size up Kentucky with them little boy here. Me a little boy for Kentucky. Me, little boy for Kentucky. Me. Me a little boy for Kentucky. Baby. When it comes to experience and depth of work and them thing, their music knowledge, me a baby compared to Kentucky. So when you hear me attack, you don't call Kentucky name around us. If you call Kentucky name in a this argument, I disrespect Kentucky. In a this conversation. You have certain man where giant and pillar in a this. Call them in this. You can't call them man in them conversation and loose conversation. If you involve them man there. Zin? Fina them in a them conversation. Yeah. Zin, the conversation is about people where have to tear down other people to make themselves relevant. That is what the conversation is about. In any professional realm. You understand me I say? When you talk about man where you have to pay homage to, we can talk. Because we don't know. We don't know who we can say, right? Matterhorn. Matterhorn are the pinnacle. The ultimate. Matterhorn filings. Ultimate. Because the man they bad in every dimension of selecting. You have someone who bad over feeding part of selecting. Like Sound Clash part. You know, say Ricky Trooper govern Sound Clash. Govern. Pink Panther govern Sound Clash because that's a theme part of music. Juggling, footer hype. Over theme part. Whether you want to like him or not. No matter how you hate footer, no matter what. The truth of the matter is footer hype up your so. Footer hype up your so. In a selecting. You understand? General. Way up in the thing. High above the cloud. Platform with them money go pan. Shows with them money do. Pave the way. For the younger generation like them. No matter how whether on the same chat too much, it doesn't matter. Talent is talent and you have to respect talent. You understand me I say? Zin? Boom boom. Up your son. Because boom boom in a theme owner lane. Boom boom in a theme owner lane. You have to respect them man there for the lane with them man there in it. You don't have to cross-thread things and say, okay, you're the baddest right across the board. No, you're a lane or you're a lane. The younger person, them women can say, right across the board. Is Bumbleclad, Firelings, and Matterhorn. When me can think about it, if you don't know nobody else, we can say, bad when it come to clash, weekly dance, all in a vibes, international appeal, plus crowd recognition. You have to put them man there up at a pinnacle. Oh, and Chris Diamond too. Chris Diamond, you have to put Chris Diamond up there. Man, I gotta say, Chris Diamond is on the same level as Matterhorn and Firelings, you know. Because Chris Diamond has the we call it now, him have the accolades them for support himself as being a column in the music as well. What the sense? Natural vibe sound. No about that part there. Kilimanjaro, I don't know about that part there. Kilimanjaro a big clash sound. Alright, you see? Wanna keep on a talk about them sound, them body in a clash. Clash sound. They are clash sound. You see, clash juggling different from party juggling. Sky Juice up in the realms, way up in the top. Above boom boom. Above footer hype. Above footer hype. You understand? For what they have done for music. You understand me I say? You have to understand that there's levels to this shit. You can't just jump up and just say, okay, alright, just because I select a bad. Rare. We have to understand, say you have different caliber. You have different caliber, you have different generation. And there's no disrespect to no man. No disrespect to the pan. Liquor Richie up in a footer item category. Liquor Richie up in the realms of footer hype. Because of, hold on there. People, top up a screen for me now, please. Top up a screen there for me, please. Top up a screen there for me. Liquor Richie up in the realms of footer hype. Richie Feelings up there too. Richie Feelings up there too for what those people have achieved in their career. You understand me? I say because of reasons behind them control. Because the truth of the matter is accessibility and exposure. Now, it is easier to get exposure now in this generation than it was back in them man the time. Back in them man the time, if you never did buy a DVD, you couldn't see them. If you never buy a CD or dip on a bus or hear a CD or somebody burn a CD and give you couldn't hear them man. If you never have dancehall channel pan your TV, you couldn't see them man and see the work them what them do. You understand me? I say if you never have a back in a Sky Juice time, if you never have a VCR, if you get a cassette or a audio cassette, you couldn't hear them man. So for them to transcend the boundaries and barriers what them do in a feed them time, that does for sure the caliber and the quality of work that they are doing. The truth of the matter is now in this new generation, you can do less and get more. So this is why I do not believe it is even fair for this new level of our new generation of selector to try size up with them Monday. When you boss in the heights of Facebook and Instagram, you boss in the heights of Facebook and Instagram and Vine and TikTok, and then you want to come size up with man what they there from record days. Them man they around the place, them man they boss and dominate from before Nick Photoworks did. You don't even know who named Nick Photoworks. Them man they dominate the place from Asylum. From Cactus days, from before Asylum, Cactus days. Jack Scorpio. Yo, from Jack's cable days over Portmore. When Jack used to keep the big show them on the roof over there. Them man the book from Mirage, from Quad days, and as some little youth just a come. Want to come size up with the man them. Let me tell you something. You have to respect who paved the way for you. You have to respect who paved the way for you. You understand? Bashi, whether or not the young people want, alright, you are going Bashi. Bashi. Travel Facts was one time the #1 shows in Jamaica. Travel Facts. When you have on a Travel Facts shows, them time there, you are skank. You are skank them time there when you have on a, you are top man when you have on a Travel Facts shows back in them day there. You understand? Back in the 90s, Travel Facts was the fucking shows. How much of them young people here nowadays even know what a fucking Travel Facts look like? Me not talk about owning, you know, even know what it look like. Even know what a Travel Facts look like. Not because they don't know it, not because they wouldn't wear it, not because they wouldn't buy it, that does not nullify the significance of travel facts in our culture. It does not nullify the significance of travel facts in our dancehall culture. Are the same thing I go on right now. Not because them young youth and them young girl there wouldn't hear say Sky Juice they want dance and kill up themselves run. Go listen to Sky Juice. That does not mean that Sky Juice is not a pillar in a this. That does not mean say, I could say, your favorite selector, not because I could say, who are in the young generation right now, the most sought after and the most in demand selector right now in a Jamaica as in the young generation are Shuttlebus. Shuttlebus are the most in demand selector in this generation right now at Jamaica. Not because that generation here don't know who Sky Juice is. Don't know what Sky Juice contributed. Does that make Shuttlebus a bigger selector or a more dominant selector than Sky Juice? Yes or no? Me ask the question. Come in for me. Me just ask the question. And this is just a point me I try to make. And these are the things that I need to understand. These are the things that I need to look into. These are the things that I need to look into and understand. Say, not because something is trending or no, that does not mean that it destroys or rub out the significance of the previous generation that came before you. The work where the man them come before the whole of we do was harder. They had to do more work. They had to literally dominate the spaces. Somebody say yes, Shuttlebus. And guess what? The brother is still no. Yo, you see, let me tell you, I understand, you know. I need to understand this. You have certain accolades where you have to achieve before you can be voted. And the truth of the matter is, you have certain accolades where you need that you will never ever be able to achieve. Never. Never. Matterhorn do some things in his career when nobody else ever can replicate. That is why I'm the GOAT. Whether you like him or not, whether I'm your favorite selector or not, he is still the GOAT. You have things where Matterhorn do, where other selectors will never ever be able to do. Matterhorn perform in a Cologne, Germany, in front of 72,000 people. Where I scream out Matterhorn name. Where I sing out, I could have one of them, two of them, three of them, I will find them. Which other selector has done that or has the possibility or can ever do that? First of all, them type of show they will never ever keep again. For a dancehall crowd. Never. Dancehall, none of them level or reach there again. Plus the way the world set up, people now go out there for go them type of show there again. The only show where to them levels there right now, like Cologne, Germany, or like Coachella. And show like Coachella, even if you go out there, a Coachella, which selector can go out there? A Coachella. You have a song where the people where the 70,000 or 100,000 people in my Coachella can sing it word for word. These are the things you need to understand. And that's why I tell you, say, nothing wrong with the rating yourself and being confident. Because every man, you have to have self-confidence. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe that your talent supersedes the talent of others. You have to believe, say, you're better than some people. User said Noah and Polish can go. Yes, Noah Power and Polish can go and play music for Coachella and get them forward. I am not saying no, but they can never replicate that show in Cologne that Matterhorn did. When Matterhorn step out and say, I could have one of them in the Miglem DJ set him run out and come and sing Dirty Wine, and the people them, the 70,000 people them could have sing Dirty Wine word for word. Yes, Noah have big song. Like, me keep a smile on his face just to see the pussy them. But 100,000 people who got Coachella don't know Noah Power song. The 100,000 people in my Coachella or 50,000 people in my Coachella don't know Noah Power song. So I am not downgrading the level of talent because Noah is an extremely talented selector. Extremely talented. Him and Polish is a great fucking duo. Great duo. Cole say Matterhorn chat too much on him a DJ. But that is his style. That is his style. And it worked for him. It works for him. And this is the same argument to me have what you know. You might not like the way a person play. And yes, it's social media. This is one of the things I feel like social media do. For fuck up the world. Social media has given everybody a hyper-inflated sense of self. Social media has given all of us an hyper-inflated sense of self. Meaning, 90% of us believe that we are the main characters. All of we feel like we are star. All of we feel like our opinion is the only opinion. Or our opinion is the most valuable opinion. Other people on the life are too young to know the powers of matter. You understand? True. No for we, because, you see, because the most fuck up part about social media is this. And this is how them hold it in a social media. Yes, when you open your app, when you open your app, Asians. You see me? When you open your app, you have one notification thing down here, so. Sorry. And again, I have to go work over. You have the notification, you see it come up and it show you. Every time you open your app, it show you how much people comment, how much people like and them something. And then the first place you go, and you click that. And when you click that, and you see activities, and you see 400 and odd things in your activity. And when you look, you see beer, all of the like them for your page, and all of the double tap them and them something there. And all of the comment them and them thing there. When you see all of them thing there, you feel like you're so significant and you feel like you're so important and so many people are watching you and you see time you make a video and put up and you see 20 people like it in the first minute, or you see you make one video talk something and you see 100 and odd people in your comment section attack, you feel like, oh, your opinion is so valuable. You feel like your opinion is so valuable. You feel like your opinion is so valuable. You feel like, oh, anything that you say is law. And, oh, because I don't like it, I have to state that I don't like it. And because I don't like it, nobody else should like it. And because it is not for me. Like, one night I'm up on my life and we are raising and we are talk. And one girl will come on my life, come tell me, say, the soca party, when me a player, me no forget back bookings at the one party we keep down at town name where the fucking name again? Soca Mocha. Say me no forget back book because me at the party and me I play too much dance hall at the soca party. And me chat too much. And me say, excuse me, but the people might enjoy themselves. No. Me nor none of my friends them never enjoy myself. Me say not because you're so good friend them never enjoy myself. That no mean say the place never enjoy it, never did nice. You and your little so-called friend them come at a party. And just because you come there, naked, you want to take 2 pictures and you want to look mesh. You look a body peg out the door and posy. And a couple people that tell you say you're sexy. And no hot. You don't feel like you're the star of the show. Nobody not pay them money come see you and your concubine them. You and your little concubine them company life. Zine, I'm company more company life. You and your little doctor, you speak up yourself. You and your little concubine them come at the party. Zine, and you come there, and because you not get the attention where you want, because you're not the center of attention, because you're not been over and people are saying, hey, whoa, yeah, girl, yeah, good, you feel like just because you did not get, because everybody back turn to you, and nobody now pay attention to you and your little den of Jezebels, and your conglomerate of heathens, where you come there with. You believe, say, you're not, nobody else not have a good time, just because nobody now ball out, and man try hold on you for wine pan you. You feel like say if nobody else now. You are a, what you call it now? What they call it sitting there? NPC. You're an NPC. You is a space holder. You is a space, he's like, he's a consonant. He's not a vowel. You are not the vowel, they don't change the sound of the word. You is a consonant, they just hold it. You come like the W in the word right. You're like the W in the word right. You're just there to hold a space. Nobody don't care, you not add nothing, you not take away nothing. You're the W, like you're like the W in the word right.